Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making cheeseburger nachos. What all goes into the cheeseburger nachos? One package 22-ounce frozen waffle fries. This is 24 ounces. 1 pound ground beef. 2/3 cup water. 1 envelope taco seasoning. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 8 bacon strips cooked and crumbled. 1/2 cup dill pickle slices. 3/4 cup shredded lettuce. 1 medium tomato seeded and chopped. 1/4 cup secret burger sauce. 1/4 cup ketchup. And 1 tablespoon prepared mustard. So let's begin. All right, it is raining and thundering outside, so if you hear any booming noises, that's what it is. Take your waffle fries and put them on a baking sheet. Follow the instructions per package. I have the oven preheating to 425. This is 24 ounces. I only need 22, but I'm dumping the whole package in there. I don't have to use them all in the dish if I don't need to. Spread them out pretty much in a single layer so they can get crisp. And that looks pretty good as soon as the oven is preheated. Oops, forgot to see how long to cook it. Oh, I'm supposed to line it with aluminum foil for 24 to 26 minutes. They may stick because I did not put them on aluminum foil. So I did decide to take them off and put aluminum foil down just so they won't stick. I don't want to have to fight with them. Take a large skillet, put in your ground beef, 1 pound, and over medium heat. Cook that until it's brown and no longer pink. After you drain your ground beef, I did not drain mine. Mine is 93% and it's really not that bad. Add your taco seasoning and your 2/3 cup water and cook and stir that until it thickens, about 3 minutes. After the 25 to 26 minutes, put your waffle fries in a 10-inch cast iron skillet or any oven-proof skillet. If you don't have that, either you can put it in a casserole dish. I do have an oven-proof skillet. I've never used it. Put in your waffle fries. And they're not sticking because I did put aluminum foil, so I'm glad I did that. Spread them out so they're not in one big old pile. Then put your ground beef over the waffle fries. All right, so then put your cheese on top of the ground beef, which was 1 cup, and the 8 slices of bacon cooked and crumbles. They're more chopped than crumbled. I like bigger pieces of bacon. And then put that in the oven until the cheese melts for about 5 minutes. I did turn down the oven a little bit. I didn't think it needed to be 425. I have it at 365. So the cheese is nice and melted. Put your pickles on the top. Put your tomatoes on the top of the pickles. And then the lettuce. Then drizzle your secret sauce. And drizzle your ketchup. And it came out a lot faster than I expected. and then drizzle your mustard. Then we'll get this dished up and we can do a taste test. Here is the cheeseburger nachos. Rounding out the meal is air fryer corn on the cob. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, this is interesting looking. It looks like kind of like a hamburger without a bun, all squished together.
That is cheeseburger nachos. And instead of tortilla chips, you got waffle fries.
Oh, that's pretty good. Kind of looked like a cheeseburger with fries, and I forgot the bun and together. But
Pretty much.
But I wasn't expecting a taco flavor. That's pretty good. That's real good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.